no makano man yehu. In 2016, Akufo-Addo say, "Obeye mampeni." No, per se, yes, citizens are not spectators. It's yes, citizens now. You the chima no na. You try say we see what we say. We are the real winners of this election. Yeah, in the year winning election, Obi Akebia when we need. Omo tsewa bibi nkoye omuntu menka. Omo we need. And Ghana for ya dear ya adwuma den papa. It is not easy for so many MPs to lose their seats. It is not easy for about 60 MPs to lose their seats. And yet 60 MPs MPs of the ruling government, omo abemu, obi a minister, they have all the resources. Omo chair TV, they still lost their seats. It is not easy. It is a great job that we have done. We have done very, very well. Yeah, dear Papa. But for that, MPP was going to win easy. And they were going to think that you win elections with freebies. Yeah? 2016. Akufo-Addo wanche obi ahwe. In 2016, Akufo-Addo wanche nyoma wanche obi bibia. He still won the election with a huge margin. He only promised and he won the election with a huge margin. In 2020, they had all the money to share. They had given free electricity, free water, free education. The ministry is calling you to dash you money. Still, they struggle to win the election. And no chira say Ghanaians are not into the freebies. Ghanaians are only looking for somebody who can fight corruption. That is what it shows. NDC and MPP, they have their core supporters. Where they are, NDC for me, MPP for those ones are there. And then we have the people who vote on issues. They make you who you are. And to those people were splitting because they were confused. And there are the people who believe that 8 years into Moman and Adunko. And yet, 3 years, I cannot election ought to mean 45%. Ought to mean. But for 3 years, I go 45%. Because one year, apart from 3 years, I dear Ghana for person or year on one Kasaka say, young one no money here, young citizens are not spectators. In terms of fighting corruption, he didn't fight nothing. In fact, he spent the 4 years fighting those who were fighting corruption. That's what he did. He spent 4 years fighting those who are fighting corruption. You understand what I'm saying? And you know, it is the people out there on social media. It is Manasseh Azuri. It is Kofi Bento. It is Franklin Kujo. It is the Auditor General, Martin Amidu. These are the people who have caused the MPP to lose. And no one say the omnimo. You see, the issue is that they are pretending as if, oh, we need, oh, problem, you know, look. Move we are, move heavy. Made a main Casabani is unnecessary. And our banocracy and this for 2008 and 2012. What is the movie? Attica. And about the Donald Trump crossing America, so I'm not interested in the Riano. The fact of the matter is that so they have reduced drastically any papa. Sabanya or take power. Just after 4 years, you can lose all of these. The reason is that Aban Weber power no, and no be bring here Juma or Memuha. Institutions don't work. Aban Weber power no, Ghana institutions in here Juma. Okay? Ghana institutions that are supposed to fight corruption. Yoko would be Juma here. Yoko a Juma Baku pen a Yoko here. Yoko, omo the Cheche boys, Sakawa boys. Papa a friend saying a why transfer on a money transfer be send you sika. Oh, boys no here a friend saying so then yes so mo browse you so them I don't even know what. Yoko Juma ya so sika be beto account no person omu hu sika ni mu. So on betumi enye die gi wo mu a aha Yoko na Juma no. Yoko economic and organized crime unit of one also omo no omo check say And you may be cause of they don't do you is just for harassing people, Sakawa boys, young boys. CID, what you checking out go through no. Criminal Investigation Department of Ghana Police. Human is also investigating crime na cause women, especially in government agencies. Check now. And I say, I see I declare no me view. Obi ye a trust at nigga call ye Miss Bell, I call ye with hey, on the process here. DNI, ye the chief political opponents. No. Political opponents like Yaba Power, Mungo Plus Amra, Winwaba Power, Mungo Kevin Taylor Amra, BNI Negumano on fighting corruption. Auditor General knows to say you're politicizing no. Aye beans. Auditor General, you're so could leave. You're politicizing or any other government will remove any Auditor General you put there. Special prosecutor, one can say Ghana, we're Ghana everywhere. So okay, Ghana for moment for your the special prosecutor has run away. So now, as we speak, there is nobody in this country who is fighting corruption or is going to fight corruption. The only people that are left to fight corruption are me and you. We are the only people left in this country to fight corruption and to point out the wrongs in the system. And so, you see, it is very amazing when people think that Martin Amidu is the wrong person. Ghana had the way a Kongo Hano. So Obi start so can Kongo ewa Benmua. I was saying Nipana war Memu and Dini Panachi. Because Obi ne mamienu abrewa be 60 something years. And then ne mamienu and ne nana with be 7 months or 6 months. Omu kuye guru ye don koton some prison plus akwara ni nyina. So when we are talking about corruption, everybody must be interested. Now, there are some people who think that, oh, we have won the election, and those who are talking about corruption, hey. Intimidate Mungunyansa Kakra, Timothy Jimiana. I hope we win the election. Many invitation to inauguration. Meko dinner, Ubekobi, Unyabi. But Jimmy, Intimidate Kazama Jimmy, I know Unyabi, invitation Unyabi, young fellow. Ube whom you are dinner, the baby, Mekobi. And I'm a peduma so I'm a come home, baby. They say, Crono, who do my yaya within 4 years. They say, there, Omon Peppershow. What ya, Adia Unya, ye, solo, Unyahi. As with Jimmy, ye catch yourself. Yaya, ye been your catch yourself, move out. We say, hey, won't you say? Why do you, baby, Jimmy, not me the Yanam so, a young moment did that, Naka women can say. Say, I mean, can wait in young women can say, what do we be said? We can't see. MVP for your moving election. Who ni mobia wo? Me ni mobia. Me akomo ne me da agugado odi 4 years upon the 10 years. Akomo ne me da. But your conscience na dey trim. It cannot be bought with material things. I was here agree on mine no ho ka ho. MVP for pressure ya mom wo man mu ha. Ene hwe o address be agina yi. We sure said they want to fight with anybody. No. What the idea unyanya wa ban ya ba power mo we ni adi nyina ne say ye be truly omu. Nyankopon nyameba. When nya hwe trolling na unyanya. 5. As for us, this country does not belong to Akufo-Addo. He has won the election. We congratulate him. Why are there? We win the election, you know. We lose his majority in parliament. Omubeye fetchere ombe wiemu ase na beya ombenya majority in parliament no ba ko wia abano against NDC for ye beto abakra NDC for strong way but voter be job be omo se ho na abano kra ye nto what you say enti no we losing the majority in parliament nanka me pese NDC for win majority clear nanka se mi nketi aye speaker of parliament afi mo de konno e Japan ade ba be fa ho ma ya hwe ne de ase mi nketi aye speaker of parliament na ka ade na Ghana no ya chamienu executive no ho legislature no ho asama ye kan mun chance say so man no konanim and we have to put pressure on the governments for man to konanim and amunim za unya gabon say why better when we better bleeding you are better no be dey mo be gina when we bra ma brain look at how ministers are falling. It is a clear indication that the people are telling you say enkwasi asem ya de bi o mani nje hu And everybody, the institutions that I named, Yoko, CID, DNI, Auditor General, Special Prosecutor, all of these institutions, the only thing that they are looking for is Kwame Plus to do something so that they will go and arrest him. They will never fight corruption that is in the system. They will never support the president to fight corruption. The president himself won't support them to fight corruption. It doesn't work. And so the people of this country must rise up and do it by themselves. And we have the people. Omodi Akufo-Addo sees as president, we will love to fight. That is our whole life. It's about fighting. Yeah, our whole life is about fighting. We will love to fight. So immediately at Akufo-Addo basis, near congratulations Nana Abanwe the Edwesi so. His role in this country is to govern, and our role is to protest and to talk. That two things. Only the so umbu now the say the Constitution says we must combat corruption, and we will combat it. And, look, we have the people. We might tell a news conference, TVP news conference, a week election. By sending text messages across, we will put people on the street. And now, after that one year, the people have increased. So many people send us messages. Hey, TPP, we want to join. Hey, now the membership has increased, and we are going to protect because the institutions won't work. So we are going to fight the corruption ourselves. Whether Akufo-Addo is the president or now any problem. And everybody who has a certain conscience must be part of it. Yes, and when we near today. When we know, you better know me. I bet now. I go for 4 years. I am not betting quick. I do already 100 years. By 2022, MB before move, we get the next flag bearer for my party now. We see Baumia, we see Alan, a bayan to quake the our party. What are the moments in politics? A bayan to come bigger, Alan, but a bayan to go party. So me problem with who is in power. Me the answer, member pressure. I have to be a citizen of this country. I have to protect my taxes. So if you don't want to do that job, and you are happy that people should steal your money, that is your own problem. But the Constitution says that we are police bet me actual Matthias here, and the same Constitution says that we should combat corruption, and we have to do that. So I'm quite serious to buy any winner takes only one change. Like I bring at the bar, Ben when say you're winning, you're changing. Now more change you'll be on a human or no, you're a human no man or so no, Namukatata. When you have a problem, that is at the end cost between 2021 and 2024. The when time we need to know a temporal. Now more MP before. When we say Akufo-Addo aya the papa be lasted. Oko dabon. Yana. Oko yana kama oko she boots say yellow say red. Kama. Anya bayana ya was in this year. Mumu dia na be a temporal because ejimi for no doors on the party. Muta ya denya bibi baba Uni MPP deal ya. It is only as some wajan a deal. One say penalty ya. Obese go. Ewo bo we den bibi besi. Either so obese penalty. And so benya clear chance of people to akini. It's a day and once I'm beba. And before Muya is at the end of Muyano. So you didn't win anything. We have reduced your majority in parliament. We have reduced the votes that you got. We have put you through a struggle to win the election. And it has been done by all the people who were constantly accusing you of everything and talking about everything in the country. It includes the Manasseh, the Kwame Mensah, your friend is saying Franklin Kujo, your friend is saying Kofi Benton, everybody. And the ordinary people on social media who were against this, they voted against you. We are going to arise as the youth of this country to fight. Akufo-Addo then obey a popular because he was fighting with Rawlings. Because Obi and Son near the only bit Rawlings Obi no memu ha or 2 about for free SHS when no much rem. Abai be no one free lights in the history of this country, free water, but still Nkopon person mutum a cadet when we against it. I mean, remember and this is for so we are not paying. And this is for Nana 2012 no. It's a 50 something vote, it's a 50,000 when we Muslim we made the atika we are MP and this is for some court. But it doesn't end there. The fact that Akufo-Addo has won, it doesn't end there. Also everybody must be part. But me, I can promise you, I can promise you something. Hey, you I can promise you something. Between 2021 and 2024, there are two things that all of us must pray for. Say, Nanado Abino, Ebekoye, and the issues we see in the past 4 years, no, a being CBU. These are the things that we have to pray for. Yen or conformony or till Krubi Muse, Krubi Gugu, or Nusu Timubi. And the young mom Paya say, I put what we knew was an answer not by no man Kuyi. Yen Pessi Bekasaya Kasaya Bre. And the young wanka, this last year, 4 years yake. Akufo-Addo dey be yet be different in terms of corruption. Free no Ghana for actually say free never want to see baby ah. Ghana for actually very clear. So also be free the any wow problem. Ghana for making it very clear say that free na your nonsense. Ghana for actually say omo pe abanya obe fight corruption because as a president every budget will go where it has to go. The budget that is meant for agric will go to agric ministry. For education, will go to it. For health, will go to health. What the problem is in this country is government spending and corruption. And the people of this country are looking for a government that has the will to fight corruption. And you know, Yebonpaya Mananado said, this second term, no, we do not have to talk. We don't want to talk. We are wishing that Nanado Abayno, Ebekoye, issues see first 4 years, no, Nanado, you yourself, you have to have a legacy for yourself. You need a legacy for yourself, Nana. Wow, legacy. Say me Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo be president, no. Adie we nam do here Ghana for actually say free SHS, no, enye nom de to aba. Enti no say hwehwe adie bi a we a obiara de bebo wudin papa. Aha, say free SHS no mo pepa anka ba no ka we ni be 54%. 55%. And when come with him, these 4 years, I wish Nana well, and I'm a bonfire say we do not have to talk. But if it happens that we have to talk, that we have to protest, I can promise you that it is going to be very, very chaotic. We are going to put many thousands of people, in fact hundreds of thousands. No individual, no function dream say waba ben we say MPP willing to know more bet one and we and so on as a movie real man with impudence, with arrogance. Yan can yoku ne special prosecutor and we Ghana here for him. We will deal with it on the streets. I'm telling everybody, the constitution allows us to do that. And we have the people. And this is the era of social media. It is just text message away. And we have the people in your own, in this country, to help us to do that. We have the men, we have the people to finance it. Look, there are so many people in this country who are ready. If it continues like this, we are going to fight. That's not the fight I'm talking about. But we are going to combat corruption just as the constitution says. And you know, say, what's your memu? Na enyoma bebre nkoye. Na so obi kan mo MP, formina MP. Okay no say dabi. Mo constituency elections no. Konu wom dodo. E na me di we aba. E na obi antumi yahwe. E na say, once of independent. The Formina MP is the only independent candidate, I guess, in parliament. And he's the most powerful person right now. He is going to make the decisions. It means that what we have been saying every day is what we have to be preparing for 2024. We have to have many independent candidates in parliament. Even if we have 6, near 2 of the big 6, we have to bring back the big 6. We must bring back the big 6. And these big 6, at least there should be 6 constituencies that are independent, that will be in parliament, that will fight for the right things to be done. In MPP 4, NDC 4, only the Speaker of Parliament, Bani Akatren say Yempe. We want an independent-minded person. Or no Speaker of Parliament. Now, or no leading parliament business. So many things must change in this country, and nobody must give up. One for me na MP no, your pamon name say yana boni. Ya pamono, ye gun animu ase, ya yese. When there baby for me na MP no, Ojina, he's the most powerful person in Ghana today. So nobody must give up. We have to make a name in this country. We have to save this country. Nobody must give up. Nobody must feel bad. The prayer is not for NDC to come to power, MPP to come to power. The prayer is for us to be able to fight corruption ourselves, irrespective of who is in power. John Mahama about power and corruption by war. Were we going to sleep to say occupy Ghana? John Mahama what power? Omu ye dede sa Christian Council. Ombe dede sa na John Mahama no corrupt dede. Ombe dede sa John Mahama fee power. Akufo-Addo by no my din. Omo kasa bi. Is that what we are going to do? So Akufo-Addo John Mahama win here. Nke no ano ya din. No. Whoever is in power, we must fight corruption. We must fight it. Everybody must be part of it. If you don't want to be part of it, you can go. But all of us must come together and fight. Because the institutions won't fight it. The institutions does not work. And you see, if you are a very smart person, you know that from 2021 to 2024, anything that I do in terms of protest and everything, I will get many supporters. Because they will be fighting in MPP for who takes over. And NDC too will support so that the government will become unpopular. And at the end of the day, it will send a very good signal to the independent voter. So me, I'm standing there. I'm a very happy person. These 4 years, I'm going to come walk because look, at the end of the day, life is an everlasting, it's an eternal struggle. And I love the fight. If you say John Dumelo said John. And then one can stand a MP, I will vote a baby. Now we call a East Legon. I say, I want the challenge. And I love the challenge. I love the fight. So, we are wishing Nana Akufo-Addo well. We are praying that Obaya Ghana ye ama ye nyina ye ho atoye ne ye penono. Ye bompaye ma no. No say nkofo bi na Akufo-Addo obewu da bi san kwase asem no munya kika. E jimi kasa. E jimi Akufo-Addo wu a onkosi nsaman kwan obi abewu bi. Ejimie kasa ade a peso owu wo krom ha eye corruption wo bompa is a corruption ni ya hwehwe corruption ni yankunu yantumi nkunu kura yankrepo no ntena wheelchair me we say ano abrase kakra because omu wia sika dodo empanifo no wia sika no dodo obi ankasa akwara koye onyi omu browse omu ye oye na client send ni sika ba akopɛ na yoko tan tata no esu yoko to menchi akonfo na wokuru ha no omu ankasa ja akonfo no nchi omu. We have to come together and fight it. That is what we have to fight. And no also a bomb pie say ewu not Akufo-Addo. Akufo-Addo yes ran kwatenten man. Yes ran say Yakopon bon ho ba. Yes ran say on your my Ghana krabe hwe mayen na nyina ye njai kasa na obi anye din. Now anything less than that, it is going to be a very interesting 4 years. Very interesting. We have the people. When we put 100,000 people on the street, everything will cease, and we can do it. We do not want to do it. We wish we won't do it. We wish everything will be peaceful, everybody will go on about their normal duty. But if the kind of things that happened in the last 4 years is going to happen, then it is going to be very, very interesting. I mean, you will be answering. I mean, you will be answering. The best thing she will have you, Madam Wasi.